guys, I'm Samy Bee and I am hosting Thanksgiving for the very first time in my entire life. Come with me so you can see my menu. For the main course is inspired by, you guessed it, The Sims 4. And guess what we're having? The barbecue ribs plate. I've had this idea for months and months and months and months and months, and I'm so excited I finally get to do it. So this is what I'll be using. I picked up this pork loin back ribs. It was super on sale. So I will be barbecuing these ribs and I will be showing you the recipe. I will be marinating them in this signature steakhouse rub seasoning by Sunset Gourmet. And I also got these barbecue pork back ribs. It's always good to have spares. This was actually a gift, so I'm just gonna cook those up. They're kind of extra. It doesn't feel like there's a lot of meat in there, so it'll be fine. That is the main course. With that, I believe we're going to just do mashed potatoes because it is a huge staple where I am from for Thanksgiving. So I'm going to be whipping up my famous mashed potato recipe, which I haven't done in many years. But let me tell you, you're going to love this recipe. As for veggies, I'm going to keep it very simple. I am letting my mom bring a pear, kale, feta salad, pecan, and my grandma will be bringing a broccoli salad. So we'll have 2 veggies there, so I don't have to worry about that. Next, we're going to move on to the appetizers. I bought this quite a while ago for the thought of Thanksgiving, and I'm only going to be doing 1 dip out of this pack, which I chose the roasted pepper. It's so cool. It's like little books. So you grab the one you want, then you open it up, and you could do a hummus version, or you can just do a dip version. And they also say that you can go on the recipe for even more ideas, or their website for more ideas. So I will be making this. So I found these, I think at Winners, yep, and they're rosemary crackers. Hopefully they're not broken. So these are gonna go with the dip, and these look very nice for Thanksgiving. I'm doing a little nut bowl because I feel like that's very Thanksgiving-y, fall-y. So I got some Brazil nuts, and I was thinking about maybe getting some like cranberries and mixing them together and doing like a little bit of a trail mix sort of thing. So if you're hungry, you could just snack on some nuts. Very healthy, very good for you. I also wanted to show you the cute napkins that I picked out for Thanksgiving with the pumpkin. I have these plastic wine glasses, or I guess champagne glasses, and they are stunning. They are so pretty. That way, just in case someone dropped it and it broke, it's plastic. Don't have to worry about glass everywhere. But I think these are very beautiful for outside. I purchased Turkey Tom many months ago because I thought that this would be so fun for Thanksgiving. So it is a bourbon whiskey, matured in oak, alcoholic turkey. So I'll have to get little shot glasses, and we will do a little birthday toast, a little Thanksgiving toast, and we'll go around and say something we're grateful for. So basically what I would like to do is everyone gets a shot, and you go around in a circle, and you say one thing that you are the most grateful for that year, if you're comfortable sharing it. Otherwise, just pick something you're comfortable sharing, something that you're incredibly grateful for that happened this year so far, and take a shot. But we're only going to do one at a time. So you say, I'm grateful for getting my new car. Next person, I'm grateful for. So I think that would be really nice, and you know, we can manifest our dreams together. So right now, that is what I have, and we are going to continue with the design of the menu and the design of everything. We're gonna set up a gazebo, and I would love to decorate and be all nice and perfect and pretty, but Thanksgiving really did sneak up on us.